Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Twitter account on mobile. If you've decided it's time to deactivate your Twitter account or leave the platform for good, this is the guide for you. But you can't instantly delete Twitter, now known as X. To delete your Twitter account using your phone, you need to follow the deactivation process via the app settings menu to temporarily disable your account first. Then, if you don't log back into Twitter within 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. To cancel the deletion and reactivation your account, simply sign in within the 30-day period. The process for deleting your Twitter account using the mobile app is the same on Android and iPhones. However, before you begin, you should create a backup of your data if you want access to your tweets and messages in the future. Here's how to do it. Tap your profile photo. At the bottom, click on Settings and Support and tap Settings and Privacy. Now, select your account and tap Deactivate your account. Confirm by tapping Deactivate and enter your password. Then tap Deactivate to begin the 30-day deactivation period. And that's it. No matter the reason for deleting your X account, whether you're removing an old profile you find embarrassing or are concerned about the risk of phishing and identity theft from oversharing, it's a simple process. And note that the steps for deleting Twitter are similar to those for deleting Instagram, deleting Facebook, and getting off Snapchat. Deleting Twitter or simply reducing the amount of information you share over social media platforms are good steps toward greater online privacy. But you can further protect yourself and keep your activity hidden and your browsing life private with a reliable anti-tracking app. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.